New from Milwaukee, circular saw blades that cut cooler and deliver increased accuracy and longer blade life. With a full assortment of carbide teeth blades from framing to finish applications, you can rest assured that all blade types have been designed specifically to meet your demands on the job site. These blades have been designed to cut cooler with anti-friction coating. Laser cut technology provides increased accuracy during the cut, and cobalt-infused tungsten carbide delivers longer blade life. Fiber cement blades with polycrystalline diamond teeth offer up to 75 times extended cutting life. Experience high-performance Milwaukee circular saw blades that cut cooler, deliver increased accuracy, and longer blade life.